beginning the Buddhism, I think you do first impermanent practice. Everything we born, you have to die, right? Everything you build, end up they fall down. Everything you collected, end up you spent. Everything you gathering, end up the separation. All this is all our daily life. I also want to say this is not only Buddhism. Every person in this world, impermanence is very important. Every people born and you have to die, whether it's Buddhism or not Buddhism, right? And if you have this impermanent, and especially this modern society is very, very important, especially young people. Like say in the school, some people school, or they do not have anything, they never think of the impermanent. And then you exam, sometimes usually very good, one day some failed. Some of a lot strong competition, there even you could not get this few points, you suicide, they also having now. And then little bit younger age, teenage, or their friend, girlfriend, boyfriend, many things, they also happen, not impermanent, right? They also happen like this, many accidents. And then older, they have good job, sometimes you lose a job, also this. And then maybe 15 years ago, one was in Germany, one time the telephone, one girl, young girl in 20, she got cancer, they're going to die within 1 month. She never had accept. They never thinking of impermanence. It's very difficult to do, right? But I always say, you must look in your neighborhood surrounding you. Must you younger than you, must have died, or accident or anything you have must have died. This is no guarantee. So that is the impermanent is very important. Often you have to think of these things, and then you suddenly accident, suddenly your life in this, especially this modern society, many things you happened, then you can challenge. If you don't have this, never thinking of you don't have prepared, right? Then suddenly come is very suffering. So if you this impermanent in the beginning or any non-beginning, you have less suffering. Probably you can challenge in this society and face any problems.